After 21 months of ongoing devastating war on Gaza, talks about a ceasefire are gaining momentum again. Now the Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu is facing pressure to make a deal with Hamas, and Hamas needs assurance that the war would actually end. Will the Gaza Strip finally see some respite? Will these talks reach somewhere good? The next report brings you details.
Efforts to secure a temporary ceasefire in the war-ravaged Gaza Strip appear to be making headway. Reports indicate that Hamas may back a US-brokered proposal that would see a 60-day halt in fighting and a staggered release of 28 hostages. Under the proposed framework, Hamas would release 10 living hostages and 18 deceased in exchange for a partial Israeli withdrawal, more humanitarian aid, and the release of Palestinian prisoners. Hamas has agreed to avoid public parades of hostage releases, a stark shift from earlier truce that drew criticism from Israel and the United Nations. The Israeli side, however, remains cautious. According to reports, while the deal may include a pause in military operations, officials insist they are not committing to ending the war. A point of contention as Hamas continues to demand a full and permanent cessation. Mediators from Egypt and Qatar, along with the US, are providing assurances that fighting will not resume as long as negotiations continue. Taking to social media platform Truth Social on Wednesday, Trump claimed Israel had agreed to the necessary conditions to finalize a 60-day ceasefire in Gaza. The US president added that Washington would work with all the parties to end the war. The plan comes amid increasing pressure on Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu to agree to a ceasefire, especially ahead of his planned meeting with President Trump in Washington next week. But even as ceasefire talks gain traction, the human toll in Gaza continues to climb. Israeli strikes in Gaza have killed more than 57,000 Palestinians, with over 130,000 others injured since the war erupted on October the 7th in 2023. Increasingly, reports of Israeli troops firing on civilians at aid distribution sites are coming under the spotlight. According to Israeli media Haaretz, Israeli soldiers in Gaza said the army had deliberately fired at Palestinians near aid distribution sites over the past month. Soldiers revealed that commanders ordered troops to shoot at crowds to drive them away or disperse them, even when it was clear that they posed no threat. In a separate incident on Monday, at least 24 people were killed when an Israeli airstrike hit a seafront cafe in the Gaza city, a popular spot for journalists, activists, and locals. Israeli military reportedly used a 500-pound bomb to attack, which, according to experts, could amount to a war crime under international law. The IDF claims that it targeted Hamas operatives, but so far has not named any of them. As diplomats push for a breakthrough, the Gaza Strip remains on edge, flattened and buried under rubble. Palestinians hope that this latest round of talks may bring fragile peace to a deeply scarred land.
This war has made us experience a life that we had never experienced before. Honestly, never in my life before. We have come to crave everything. The kids are craving everything from toys to clothes to food, that loaf of bread that we need.
The clock is ticking as Hamas is expected to submit a formal response to the ceasefire framework soon. More than 2.3 million Palestinians are waiting with bated breath, hoping that Israel and Hamas ink a ceasefire deal soon.